Hello, it's Mila from Hacky Russian, and I'm here to help you learn Russian language easy, fast and with lots of fun. In this video, I will show you the ways to say goodbye in Russian using Russian TV series and movies. Pay attention to the pronunciation and try to imitate the characters, because this is the best approach to learn Russian language. You are not just memorizing words, you are taking them from real situations. And when you imitate the characters, you use your emotions, which help you to remember words better. Are you ready? Let's jump into it!
Svidaniya.
До свидания. До свидания. This phrase contains two words, до, which means until, and is pronounced as да, and the second one is свидания. Свидания. And it means a meeting or a date. This phrase can be used both in formal and informal situations, but it can sound a little too formal if used with close friends, family members, except for some elderly people, and colleagues of your age.
До свидания, наш ласковый Миша, возвращайся в свой сказочный лес.
Всего доброго.
До свидания.
До свидания, всего доброго.
Всего доброго. Всего доброго. This expression contains two words, всего, which means everything, and the second one is доброго. Доброго, which means kind. This expression has several meanings. It can mean all the best, God bless you, or even have a nice day. It's mostly a formal and a very polite way to end a phone call, a meeting, or any other social interactions. It can be used with strangers, service workers, acquaintances, customers, and audience. You can also use it with your friends, but it sounds a little bit formal. It has another form, which is всего хорошего. As well as всего доброго, it can be used in addition to до свидания. До свидания, всего хорошего. Or it can be used individually. Всего хорошего. So when you're leaving, you can just say this phrase. Всего хорошего. Or всего доброго. Прощай. Прощай. This expression means farewell or goodbye forever. It is mostly formal, emotional, and dramatic way to show that one is leaving for a long time, or even forever. It's not used in daily conversations, but you can hear or see it in movies, books, and songs.
Прощай, но я вернусь и буду с тобой.
Спасибо за все. Мне пора.
Присядем на дорожку. Русская традиция.
There is a Russian tradition called присесть на дорожку. Sit for a moment before the trip. Before leaving on a long trip, Russian people have a tradition to sit quietly for several seconds, and the origin of this tradition comes from a belief that a house spirit, which is called домовой in Russian, might not let you go or might follow you. By sitting for several seconds, you are tricking домовой, and he can even give you some advice or remind you to take something important with you. Quite a useful tradition, right? До скорой встречи! До скорой встречи. This expression contains three words до скорой and встречи. До скорой встречи. Until a soon encounter or a meeting. It can mean see you soon or see you later. Can be used both in formal and informal situations. Use it when you know that you will see a person again soon. A short form of до скорой встречи is до скорого. До скорого.
До скорого.
До свидания. До свидания. Пока.
Пока. Пока. It means see you or bye, and it is the most popular informal way to say goodbye. Can be used with friends, good acquaintances, family members, except for elderly people, and children. Пока is often accompanied with the word давай. Давай, which means let's. For example, ну ладно, давай пока.
Ну ладно, давай. Все, пока.
Ну давай, пока.
Russian people also often use just the word давай to say goodbye, but it's very informal. For example, ага, давай, or just давай.
До свидания. Увидимся.
Увидимся. Увидимся. Увидимся. Direct translation is we will see each other. This expression means see you or hope to see you again. It's a more informal and friendly way to say see you. It shows your intention to see a person again next time. Can be used with different groups of people, including friends, good acquaintances, family members, colleagues, and so on.
Спасибо за чудесный вечер, но нам пора.
Спасибо за. You can use this expression in different ways. For example, you can thank somebody for an evening, a dinner, or an invitation. Спасибо за вечер. Спасибо за ужин. Спасибо за приглашение. Приглашение.
Да, нам пора. Мы, конечно, могли бы еще немного посидеть.
Нет, по правде сказать, я и сам собирался уходить.
А, ну хорошо. Тогда мы пошли. До свидания.
Всего хорошего. Спасибо. Что вы, не за что.
Ну как же, будьте здоровы.
Будьте здоровы. До свидания. До свидания.
Спасибо, большое спасибо.
Очень рад.
Нам пора. This expression contains two words. So in the second part it is пора, which means time is up or need to go. And in the first part you can use either a pronoun мне, which means I or me. So it will be like I need to go, мне пора. And the second one is нам. Нам, which means we or us. And in this case it will be нам пора, we need to go.
Все, валите.
Валите, валите. This expression has two imperative forms, the singular one, which is вали, and a plural, валите. It means get out or leave me alone. It's a very informal and slang expression to tell somebody that they have to leave. It's okay to use it with friends or family in a funny way. Don't use it with strangers and people you don't know well. It is rude and impolite to use it with employees, as it's shown in the video.
Ну-ка встал! Ну-ка встал, пошел отсюда! Вон, вон, я сказала!
Пошли вон, я занят.
Пошел вон. Пошел вон. You can use this expression in three different forms. A masculine пошел вон, a feminine пошла вон, and plural пошли вон. It means go away And it's a very informal and rude expression to tell somebody that they have to leave immediately. And it's not okay to use it with anybody, believe me. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like it so that I will know that I should continue making videos like this. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my videos. I also have an Instagram account where I post some great materials every week. So if you are interested, there is a link down below in the description box. See you next time. Пока-пока!